How to turn on notification on Battle.net. Arg is facing issues to turn on notification on Battle.net. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on notification on Battle.net application, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this option for your profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, look at the last option where you can see the setting over here. Tap in settings. After you click in settings, you can see option for notification settings. Tap on it. After you click on it, you just simply toggle all these options on. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to turn on notification on Battle.net. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.